This is a very important event. In many respects, it's historic because it addresses one of the serious gaps that we have in our science ecosystem. The relationship between the key partners in the system. Academia, your science research councils, universities, government, and the private sector. Basically, it's guided by what I regard as an important guide in the work that we do. The close relationship between our country's economic development and industrialization, and the need to invest in science and innovation, but having this ecosystem and a partnership. Today is the launch of this Science, Technology and Innovation Business Forum, which is important that business is organizing itself around science, technology and innovation, because it's a platform that is very important for business to have so that you can be able to form important partnerships. This happens during our Science Month, which is also a very significant development. In fact, it's one of the highlights of our Science Month, which is July, that we actually launched last week. So I'm very happy about the lecture that was given here, as well as the inputs and commitments by everybody to work together. So we hope this will lay a very important foundation in taking our science system to a higher level. Thank you.